guys, and welcome back to another Allure beauty box unboxing that is very belated. This one is for May of 2023, but you know, better late than never, right? Right. So, anyway, we're just gonna dive into this here. And we've got our little booklet here. And it reads, Happy Mother's Day. That's how far behind we are. Spring in my step. I'm very much into zooshing up my look. It's with a Z, I'm not even joking. Zooshing up my look and my complexion for the sunnier, warmer months ahead. But I don't suddenly have a million more hours in my day, so my beauty pick-me-ups have got to deliver fast and well. That's where this month's Allure Beauty Box comes in. The glow-inducing, dark spot eradicating serum from Sunday Riley makes me feel and look bright and fresh, while Rafai's clever brow pomade and Woma's creamy lip liner play up my features and give my makeup instant panache. And when the unexpected pimple or totally expected greasy roots creep up, I'll be ready with Heroes Patches and Eva NYC's dry shampoo, both go-to favorites of multiple Allure beauty editors. So, first thing in here is a Sunday Riley product. It's full size and $65. It's kind of funny because it's like, for a while, seemingly all anyone wanted to rave about was Sunday Riley, and then just as quickly, it's almost like we really don't hear about them that much anymore, so I don't quite know what happened there, but yeah. Tearing this open like a little present. So, this is the Sunday Riley B3 Nice 10% Niacinamide Serum. So the closest your skin, or the closest you can get to an eraser for skin's dark spots, and it gives you a diamond level glow. Why, you'll love it. Unlike a lot of other potent antioxidant serums, B3 Nice doesn't have an off-putting smell. Rather, it doesn't have any noticeable scent. Its milky texture feels oh so comforting on skin, dries out almost immediately, and doesn't pill under moisturizer. Within a month, one editor saw dark spots along her hairline and around her mouth fade completely and says it transformed her dull, vampire-like complexion into a glowing one in as little as 2 weeks. Basically, it's a skincare miracle worker in a bottle thanks to niacinamide, which evens skin's tone and smooths its texture, and antioxidant EGCG from green tea. How you'll use it. The serum can be used day and night. After cleansing, simply apply seal-in moisture with a face cream and you're good to glow. That's cool. So we have that. Next page, we have... Alright. The Refi Brow Pomade. There was 3 shades you could have gotten. I have the medium, since, dark would have been too dark. Light is ridiculous, so best I can do is medium. It's still gonna be brown, because this color does not occur in nature. So, anyway, it retails for $20. This is full size. Shape your brows in a few quick swipes. Perfect for rushed mornings and 5-minute routines. Why, you'll love it. In this box is the Refi Brow Pomade in one of 3 shades. On one side of its dual-ended wand, you'll find a dotted pomade for filling in brows, and on the other, a super soft angled brush to apply it with. The unique texture of the pomade and its sheer matte tint in your choice of color give you fuller, bolder brows. The formula sets quickly, and once it does, you've got fuller arches, or you've got defined arches for the rest of the day and night. This stuff even lasted on one editor when she was caught in the rain. And that's honestly pretty impressive for a brow product, since usually I don't have that kind of luck. I will forget, go like this, and it's on my hand and gone from my brow. So how you'll use it. Dip the brush into the pomade, and a few sweeps through your brows are all it takes to fill them in. The brush tends to deposit a decent amount of pigment wherever it first touches down, so start on your arches where you want the deepest color, or if you're going for a more natural look, do a swipe on the back of your hand first. Good to know. I'd like to see what it looks like first, even though we're not reviewing it. So it looks like this. One end. Oh, does it just twist, or? Oh, I get it. Okay, so you would like twist it, I think. No, that's actually not it. But we do have this angled brush here. It claims that the bottom end opens up and is the pomade. Wait, I'm a freaking idiot. It's a screw gun. Alright, so the pomade literally lives in there. Got it. Understood. Alright, I was so scared of potentially breaking it by being too rough, but I didn't even understand that. Oh, wait, duh. So there's that. We're already at what? Let's see. So $65 plus 20 would be 85 so far. Not even done. Also have like an ad for add-ons. Don't need that. But the next product, where are we hiding? Is the Woma Badass MF. I love that name. Matte filler lip liner in Ross, which unfortunately just makes me think of Friends, and honestly, fuck Ross. But anyway, so this is full size. It retails for $16, which, let's add that in. We're now up to 101, which, for like a 20-ish dollar beauty box, you get great value. I'm just saying. So it says, why you'll love it, in a pretty neutral pink, this deliciously creamy lip liner gives you a crisp look, longevity to any lipstick or gloss you swipe on top, and prevents color from traveling outside your lip line. How you'll use it: you can use the pencil to trace and slightly reshape your lip line, and then fill in your lips before applying lipstick or gloss. The color is so pretty, we also love to layer it under clear gloss. Or if you're me, you just color in your lips with it and wear it as its own matte lip color. But anyway, so it looks like... Ooh, alright. Somehow I wasn't expecting it to look like that. It looks like a Crayola, like, Super Tips marker. If you know, you know. So, let's see. Ooh. Okay, when they said pink, I wasn't expecting it to be like dark pink. I like that. That's pretty. Okay, like honestly, I would call that more of a reddish, but all right. I'm here for that. So that's product number 3. That's not the next product. The next product, hiding down here, is by Kaban Beauty, and it's a revitalizing face mask. It's just like a sheet mask, I think. It says retail price $13 for one sheet mask. Oh my god, what? So add that onto the total, and now that's up to $114 for the value. And it says, why you'll love it, for it just came from the Spa Glow. Pop on this sheet mask. It's infused with tons of hydrating, soothing ingredients to give your complexion a quick pick-me-up, including sweet almond extract, blue agave extract, and sodium hyaluronate. That last one both plumps and moisturizes to help minimize the look fine lines while adding dewiness. How you'll use it: wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then massage any serum that it leaves behind into your skin for extra hydration. So just like any other sheet mask. Why this one is $13 for one mask? Hell if I know, but whatever. So there's that. Let's see here. Oh my god, it was manufactured on my birthday! That's so cool! Okay, sorry. So there's that. And then we have... Whoa. Oh my gosh. You hear that? It's not that often you encounter that with a dry shampoo. That's cool. So this is the Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. Have to admit, love that name since it makes me think of the Paul McCartney Freshen Up tour. So it would be $6 for 1 ounce. This is almost that. It's 0.75 ounces. So it's like 3/4 of that. What is 3/4 of $6? Let's pull up another calculator and find out. Divided by 4 equals times that by 3. So $4.50 would be the value of this to add to that. So plus $4.50. We are now up to $118.50 for the value we have gotten in this particular box. It's insane. It's insane. So anyway, why you'll love it: the spray checks every dry shampoo box you want. It adds volume without feeling like anything is in your hair, and it doesn't leave behind a visible residue, which has made it a favorite with blonde and brunette editors alike. Yeah, I will recommend this to my sister straight up because she's blonde. So anyway, so it's an easy way to refresh your style on a day 2 or 3, so you can eke out a little more time from each shampoo. How you'll use it: shake the can and spray it onto your roots from about a foot away, and enjoy the time you just saved by not shampooing. And I just like to shake it because it makes a cool sound. Sounds like a spray paint bottle. I love that. Anyway, so there's that. And then the last product is by Hero Cosmetics. And I already buy these on my own, so I already know about these. But this is the Mighty Points Patch, the original. This is a pack of 6. It's saying $12.99 retail, but I'm like, I don't know that that's true for the 6-pack, but since it's not listed, we're just gonna go with it as if it were. which would bring the value of this box up to $131.49 altogether. Again, crazy, right? Yeah, so anyway. Well, you'll love it. Sometimes there's no stopping a pimple from appearing, but these Allure Best of Beauty winning hydrocolloidal stickers help heal blemishes overnight. After I peel it off, my skin is less inflamed and irritated, and signs of redness are significantly reduced without any dryness, says Allure's Paige Stables. In short, it's a clear choice. Aha, aha, I see what they did there, because they're clear patches. Ha! Sorry. Anyway, so how you'll use it. Stick one onto a pimple before bed and remove it 6 to 8 hours later after the clear sticker turns white. Fair warning, the white shit is pus. So, just be aware. They are gross, but they do work. They work really well, actually. So, anyway, so that's what I got in the May Allure box. I think pretty good stuff all overall. So anyway, yeah, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already, like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.